Oh, well, because the building is a beautiful building in an amazing location and it's historically desperately important. It was part of the original Birkenhead Park, um, and Birkenhead Park was the very first publicly funded public park in the world. And it was the design inspiration for Central Park in New York and many other parks over in this country and in Europe. So it was just a great house and a great location. For the for most of the interventions we made, whether it be installation or the heating or the photovoltaics or the rainwater collection, they had no real implications for the heritage. What was our biggest challenge were the windows. And the thing about the windows is that when we specified the windows, English Heritage's advice was to have thick curtains, shutters, or secondary glazing, all of which were rubbish solutions for this house. And so having vacuum glazing, which enabled us to achieve triple glazing performance on the glazed part of these windows, was pivotal to achieving our aims for the whole house. The overwhelming benefit of vacuum glazing in this application is that we were able to take out a single pane of glass from the original windows and replace it with a pane of vacuum glazing. As you can see, we've got awkward shapes in these windows. We've got curved tops. We were able to replicate all of that with vacuum glaze. And so we were able to take a single pane sash window and give it triple glazing performance. So we managed to use exactly the original wood. Some of these windows have been repaired over the years, but majority of the timber is original timber. And so all we did was take out the original pane of glass, put in a pane of vacuum glass. That's simple. This project has been subject to an awful lot of thermodynamic and modelling and analysis. So there's a lot of learning gone into this that has been spearheaded by Liverpool University, all of which is going to be spread out as in terms of a model for energy efficiency buildings in the future. We're also very, 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 very keen to spread knowledge of these tools and techniques locally. So we have opened up the house on several occasions at weekends to have open weekends. We've had well over 1,000, probably over 2,000 people through over the time. And we're using, wherever we can, we're using local suppliers and local tradespeople so that they all get experience of using these new energy efficiency techniques. There's absolutely no problem integrating modern energy efficiency techniques into old properties. This property is an outstanding example of what you can do.